the LG we trying to use it here today. I'm gonna show you guys how to use incognito mode on Firefox browser. So if you guys use Firefox and you guys want to browse privately, you guys will be able to do that. So what you guys do is open Firefox and you guys go to the right. You guys will click on the three bars and you guys will have a screen right here. You guys go to new private window. You guys can click on that and you guys will be brought to a new window. And we'll say here private browsing with tracking protection. The new browser in a private window. Firefox is not safe. Visit the pages, searches, cookies, temporary files. Firefox will save your bookmarks and your downloads, so you keep that in mind. Privacy browsing doesn't make you anonymous on the internet. Your employer or internet service provider can still know what page you visit, so you have to keep that in mind, right? Y'all guys can turn tracking protection on or off. Actually, you guys just leave it on. So just leave it on. Some websites use trackers that can monitor your activities across the internet. With tracking protection, Firefox will block any trackers that can collect information about your browsing behavior. And y'all guys can see how it works. You guys want to, so y'all guys can browse whatever you guys want. It won't save your browsing history or nothing like that. If you guys want to do some good stuff, y'all guys can do it here in private browsing. So if you guys want to look up, some adult stuff, y'all guys can do that here, and it will not save your search or your history or nothing like that. So that's pretty cool. If you guys want to do some if you guys want to do some private stuff on Firefox, private browsing is the way to go. So that's how you guys do it. Just open Firefox, go to the three lines, open up a new private window, and you guys will be right here, so you guys can browse the internet privately. But you guys keep in mind that your employer or school or whatever can still see what pages you visit. So if you keep it in mind, you're not 100% anonymous on the internet. So keep it in mind, but it will not save your browsing history if you browse incognito. Alright. So that's how you guys browse privately on Firefox. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you like me out a lot, peace, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.